Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today I am standing in front of a pretty famous restaurant, been here 40 years, called Quam Tam Nun. This place is actually a friend of mine. We come here to Amphawa to kind of check out what's happening. And I see an awesome looking pizza on his menu. And I've been told some of the best Thai food in the area. We are close to one of the very most popular tourist attractions in Thailand is the floating market nearby. Anyway, let's go inside and let's go see what's on the menu. All right, we've got Tim here, aka Toyota 86.
Correct.
This is your wife's restaurant.
That's correct.
And the name of the restaurant is?
One Dam Nun, located in Dam Nun, Sadok.
And you guys have been here how long?
Next year will be 40 years.
40 years. How long has your wife been operating this restaurant?
So she's been helping since she was born, basically.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So really, yeah, okay.
And, you know, we've been staying now in Thailand about 4.5 years.
4.5 years. Well, we're gonna go inside, check out the restaurant. Okay, here's the deal. The guys are gonna split an extremely large double extra pepperoni and cheese and background noise, sorry. The ladies are going to order a table full of Thai food. I'm absolutely sure of that. So yeah, that's what's happening. We'll see how the I'm really curious to see how good the pizza is. It looks good on the menu. This is actually pretty cool how they do that. They kind of peel the coconut around the inside, and it has like a bubble of coconut water.
Well, I still didn't get the short.
All right, we have a beef stuff, and we have
หมูย่างนะคะ
mu yang, which is a grilled pork
pork with honey
with honey. It's kind of like a honey roasted ham.
yeah same อร่อย
And of course, we got the som tam, which is a papaya salad. It's got a little bit of crab meat in it. The crab meat's actually cooked. And this is a Thai style, which is fish sauce. Wow, and the Thai food is coming out. What is that?
แกงเลียง
Gang liang.
แกงเลียง
Where are you from originally?
I'm on.
Yeah, mine.
Wow,
me too.
very, very tender.
There were 2 potato chips on the table. One fell off. Why didn't the other one?
ถ้าไข่ตุ๋นมาแล้วไข่ตุ๋นขาย
เราม้วนเหลือข้าวเราก็หมดแล้วใช่ไหมไม่ได้แค่บ้านหรอก
ยัง
And
ข้าว
that's Thai
เอ๊ะไข่
All So this restaurant's been around for 40 years. Pretty good stuff.
อร่อย
Okay.
pretty good pretty good
As long as the Thai ladies are happy. I think you guys would tell us if it wasn't, right?
เย่
Oh, good, very good.
กินนี่อุ้ยหล่น
Look at that. Man, that does look good, huh? There we
I've
go.
seen in Thailand.
James
Right
wanted
here.
extra pepperoni. He doesn't like pineapple, so I got him a special one because I love him so much. Way to do it for the team, right?
All right.
All right, let's dig into some of this.
Oh yeah, we got red pepper and we have garlic.
Full cheese on. Okay. I'm gonna go slow. Oh yeah.
จนหนูเปิดร้านอันนี้เบื่อกินต้ม
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Smells freaking amazing. Oh yeah. Good.
Don't tell him, but it's better. It's better than mine. It's really good. I need a good pizza oven.
Oh, there he goes with the excuses again. Jeez. Don't tell him it's better than mine. I need a good pizza oven.
And what do you guys think?
Talk to me right now. I'm in heaven.
Come on, Joycey.
I'm just happy that I got it when it's still a little warm with all the pictures you were taking.
All right, go ahead and cover it up with some garlic. Try it out.
From New Jersey.
And Joe didn't take any pictures or video. So you shouldn't see this on his channel. Yeah, get that shot right there.
Well, Tim, your wife makes an awesome pizza. I'm glad you taught her how to do it right.
That's right.
When is the last time she made a pizza like that?
Before the situation.
Oh,
The
okay.
last time.
All right.
The regular size,
Yeah.
you know, probably.
I guess I should have asked you how much is this pizza?
That's a 3,000 baht pizza.
We'll figure that out later.
Help me find my wallet.
I gotta go to 7. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I am full. I hope you enjoyed today's No Time to Be Hungry video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna put the location of this place as usual in the description box. You can check out their Facebook page, the Google Map link, come here. When you go to the floating market, come by here, get a great, awesome, gigantic, they have small pizzas too. Either way, it's all good. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye bye